Hey guys, Andrew from Bearbull Traders. Today I want to answer a question that I received in the chat room, and I think it was a very good question. The question is it easier to trade in a bear market or in a bull market? This is my first actually multi-year bear market that I'm trading, because 2020 was a bear market, but it was really fast recovery and we really didn't see any bear market. But now 2022 is a bear market that has been grinding down, and it might be actually a multi-year bear market, like 2008 or dot-com bubble. Around 10 years, we're gonna get a multi-year downward bear market. So now the question is, day trading is easier or it's worse in there? And I wanna answer that. A bear market is a nightmare for investors. Economist this week has put a cover that investors are searching for returns, and someone like a gold miner trying to find some gold. And it's really horrible. Stocks down, bonds down, gold down, crypto collapsed, everything is down. So as an investor, it's horrible. But what about trader? In the bear market, the volatility of the market itself is a lot. You know, the market might go down 1%, but the candlesticks every day is like 1 to 2%. So the volatility of the whole market as a whole and indexes is enough for traders and day traders to make significant amount of money. Some stocks are becoming extremely active, like Tesla or Apple, or some indexes like TQQQ are becoming really active, and you can trade them every single day. Look at this chart that I'm showing. This is a chart of S&P 500 SPY in the last couple of months. The market didn't move much. It may be drop 5% or 4%, but look at the size of the candlestick. Look at this volatility that every day is showing. So that means that day traders can trade opening range breakouts, traders can take reversals, traders can trade options. Day trading options are very easier, or much easier in a bear market. Now look at this chart. This is a bull market. You know, as you see, the market is slowly grinding up, but look at the size of the candlesticks of index. Really small. There's not much volatility. The average to range of the bull market is really low. And what happens? Then you have to desperately looking for something that is moving. You know, not every stocks, not all the indexes are moving in a bull market. But yes, we have like penny stocks or some stocks that are in play and have some news and they're moving. But finding volatile stocks in play are more difficult in a bull market. Therefore, I would say a bear market is significantly better for day traders than a bull market. Not that the bull market is not giving you opportunity, but bear market, the volatility is what you want. And the fear that is in the market right now is going up and down with Wall Street. That's what we want. Look, if you want to day trade options, bear market is the best. Today, I traded Tesla. I showed a Tesla. This is the chart that you see. I shorted Tesla from the previous day close for the break of 52-week low. And look at that. You can buy a put, like in the money put at $150 for Tesla, strike price of this week, and look at that, from $4 it went up to $7. That kind of volatility is only for bear market. Yes, in the bull market you can day trade. I started day trading in a bull market, but it was significantly more difficult to find the stocks in play. Now in a bear market, and I hope actually stays in a bear market as a day trader, to get this opportunity. Obviously the volatility comes with risk, and you have to be more careful, you have to be more experienced. But as a day trader, when the Wall Street cannot get any return, day traders can get 1 to 2% return a day, which is amazing. So as a day trader, I really hope the market stays volatile in 2023. As an investor, I am an investor and have significant positions in the market, every night is just what happened to the markets. But again, remember, day traders are not holding positions overnight, and as a day trader, you're looking for this volatility. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like that, answer any questions that you might have in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, because I really want to know what kind of questions and what kind of contents you want. Give us some feedbacks. And Santiago, come here, say hi. I want to show you someone who is behind the scene making all of these videos. And every good thing that comes from the video is from me. Every bad thing is from this guy. I'm just kidding. So Santiago is our videographer and editor. He joined us this year, and he's helping us to just by try and error making it better. Thank you, Santiago, for everything.
Welcome.
So this video is probably one of the last videos that you're going to see from me in 2022. I'm heading soon to Argentina. By the time that we actually publish this video, I might be offline. I'm trying to climb Aconcagua, which is the highest peak in Argentina, highest peak in the Western Hemisphere, about 24,000 feet. Wish me luck, guys. If I survive, I'll see you in 2023. Thank you.